go grande male tassi singa gore musale okas midashi chikam Pakistani de asal ki English jamal no raze de interview assalamu alaikum. Well, how are you enjoying this place? Is it great or bad?
It's wonderful.
It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Well, I think I should come here all the day.
Yes, you should.
Well, I'm having a question from you. How many times have you came here?
This is my first time to here.
Was it your wish to come here when you were a child?
It wasn't built when I was a child.
Oh, so what are you going to do?
Do you speak Urdu as well, or do I
Yes,
have to speak
I
English?
also speak
You
Urdu.
speak Urdu?
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
I'm here from the UK. I'm going to be looking all around Pakistan and Islamabad.
Oh, that's great. I think you are a personal guy that is much intelligent.
Maybe not as intelligent as you.
No, you are, sir. No, singa ground katan kuch tada suri ruche da English ke mozu pukto ke mujhe bhi wazin uncle jis ka sade swana ni to razi was banur sar min to gunur